So in today's video, we're going to do this cute half up, half down style for my beautiful sister. She has been begging to get some weave over these locks of hers, so we're going to do it. So I'm going to start off on some freshly washed, clean hair, and I love this Mazzani's 25 Miracle Milk. If you have not tried it, I advise you to go get it. It is a great leave-in conditioner. So now I'm just going to separate her hair from ear to ear and just go ahead and outline, the half up, half down. So this part here, I'm just going to honestly just retwist the outline of her hair. I'm not even going to retwist the inside part. I'm not going to do a full hair retwist, y'all. Like, that's too much. I love this Loc N Braid gel. It's very thick, so you really don't need a lot, but it gets the job done, honey. If you have not tried it, again, I advise you to go get it. So fun fact, I really enjoy doing the locksmith method when I retwist locks now. I used to do like the palm roll, but honey, when I learned this, I don't even know who I learned it from, but when I learned it, honey, let me tell you, it changed the game. So just go ahead and retwist however you retwist. Separate the hair. Please do not pull any hair from another lock. Just separate it according to however the hair is flowing. Do not damage your hair or somebody else's hair. But yeah, let's just go ahead and retwist these locks and move on to the next stage. Okay, so once you're done retwisting it, what you're going to do now is just separate the back into whatever's feasible to you. Right now, I'm just doing 3 large French braids in the back so that way we can easily tuck it for the crochet. Now, I know y'all peeped this undercut, so right now I'm just going to have her hold her hair and I'm just going to braid the undercut down so that way she doesn't have a big old poof in the back of her head. The tricky part about this entire style is trying to figure out how you're going to sew the back of the hair up to make sure that it's tucked away. So yeah, go ahead and grab your needle and thread and let's get to sewing. All right, so now that we got that tucked away nice and neat, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and retwist the entire front of her head for the top portion. Okay, y'all, I skipped a few steps, but here we are. We're just crocheting in the hair on the back of her head, and we're going to just go ahead and fill it in. So what I would suggest is not like filling in row from row, like put some space in between, except when you get to this crown part right here. That is where you want to fill it in the most to give it the most coverage. But in the very back, you want to just, do some fillers, not too much because you don't want it too bulky or too big. Like, how cute is this turning out? This is so freaking adorable. And again, y'all, make sure you put some spacing in the very back. As you can see, I did not put a lot of hair in her head. The most hair is from the ear to ear portion, and that's just because you want to make sure you have a lot of coverage right there. But honestly, this looks really, really good. So now let's go ahead and get into the bun. So once you get the bun set up, you're going to want to do the same thing. Just go ahead and crochet it in, but you don't want to fill it in too much. You want to make sure that you have some spacing in between your crochets. Girl, we not even done and she is feeling herself. Like, I'm really loving this already. So now you're just going to take the hair at the very top and you're going to put that into a bun. So shake it out, make it as tight or as loose as you want it. But yeah, go ahead and create your bun. She wanted some whimsical, so I left a little bit of pieces out. But yeah, y'all, this is it. This is the style. It's coming along so cute. Y'all don't mind me wrestling with the hair back there, but just get you some scissors and trim up any excess hair that you have. But y'all, this is the style. We are one and done. My sister look so cute. This is to all my lock girlies out there. Go ahead and try this. Yes, go sister, go sister. Aww. Comment down below how you like this video and if you're going to try this style or not. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you later. Bye.